Today, I'm diving into the world of avian giants to reveal the 5 largest birds on Earth. Buckle up, because these feathered titans are truly amazing. Starting off at number 5, we have the Andean Condor. This majestic bird, native to South America, boasts a wingspan that can reach up to 10.5 feet. That's longer than most cars. Andean condors are known for their incredible flight abilities, soaring effortlessly on thermal air currents in the Andes Mountains. Fun fact, they can live up to 50 years. Next up, at number 4, is the Marabou Stork. Found in Africa, these storks can stand over 5 feet tall and have a wingspan of 10.5 feet. They might not be the prettiest bird around, but they're certainly one of the largest. Known as the Undertaker bird, due to their somber appearance, Marabou storks are scavengers, often seen cleaning up after other predators. Talk about nature's cleanup crew. Coming in at number 3, we have the Dalmatian Pelican. Native to Europe and Asia, these pelicans are among the heaviest flying birds, with wingspans reaching up to 11.5 feet. They are expert fishers, using their massive beaks to scoop up fish from the water. An interesting tidbit, during the breeding season, their plumage turns a striking silver white. At number 2, we have the Southern Royal Albatross. These incredible seabirds are found primarily in the Southern Ocean, and they possess an astonishing wingspan of up to 11.8 feet. Southern Royal Albatrosses are known for their long-distance flights, sometimes traveling thousands of miles without landing. And guess what? They can live for over 60 years. Finally, claiming the top spot as the largest bird in the world is the Wandering Albatross. With a wingspan that can exceed 12 feet, these magnificent birds truly embody the spirit of the open ocean. Wandering albatrosses are masters of gliding, effortlessly riding the wind for hours on end. They spend most of their lives at sea, only coming to land to breed. Fun fact, they can travel over 75,000 miles in a single year. And there you have it. The 5 largest birds in the world, each with their own unique traits and awe-inspiring abilities.